Friends, we'll start our new chapter. Old chapter only, synthetic fibers and plastics. Why do we prefer plastics? Plastics are non-reactive. You might have experienced that iron gates and nails exposed to atmosphere soon get rusted. जंग आ जाते हैं उसको. But does this happen to plastic? Plastic materials would not corrode easily. That's why they are used to store various kinds of materials including chemicals. Plastic is very light, strong, durable and can be molded into different shapes and sizes. Plastics are generally cheaper than metals. Why do electric wires have plastics covering? You might have seen pressure cookers and screwdrivers handles. Why are they made of plastics? Plastics are poor conductors of heat and plastics and environment. You must have seen garbage, waste drums. Some articles there seem to remain for long time, while others disappear. You may notice that most of the material that does not disappear are the polythene bags. Polythene is a plastic. It is mainly used for making carry bags. The polythene bags thrown around are responsible for clogging drains. Animals in urban areas, particularly cows, eat polythene bags containing food material. Can you imagine the consequences? See the figure 16 and read the comments of Supreme Court of India about the effect of plastic on environment. See here, plastic bags found in the stomach of cow after a post-mortem. With the direction of Supreme Court of India, very thin polythene bags have been banned to stop indiscriminate usage of polythene bags. What is the difference between the banned polythene bags and bags using presently in place of previous one? What do you notice on that bags? Some efforts are taking place to reduce negative consequences of plastics on the environment. If we burn plastic, it creates a lot of air pollution. Biodegradable, non-biodegradable. Let's take peels of fruits and vegetables, leftover food stuff, waste paper, cotton cloth and plastic balls. Keep this material in a pit. Open the pit after some days and list the materials which remain long time and those that disappear. Peel of fruits and vegetable. Approximate time to disappear. Leftover food stuff. What will happen this one? Waste paper, cotton cloth, plastic bag. You observe that certain material can break down into smaller fragments in the presence of water, sunlight and oxygen. These fragments get further broken down by bacteria. This is called decomposition. A material which is easily decomposed by natural process is called biodegradable. And one which is not decomposed by natural process, this is called non-biodegradable. The time taken for decomposition depends upon whether the material is biodegradable or not. Explore various sources of material to know the time required from them to decompose. You do this activity however you are at home. You take one dump and keep fruits, vegetables, peels and leftover food, waste paper, cotton cloth, plastic bag. And you observe this one. Okay? Thank you, students.